jar, but you know, Dollar Tree carries all kinds of jars. And I had this old little, I want to say coaster, but I went ahead and painted it white, and I'm going to paint the jar white as well. So I have this little house I painted, and I think I'm going to add some flowers and some stickers on it. Okay, so I wish I had more twine, but this is it. I'm so into the shabby chic look right now, so I think I'm going to be doing this. So I think I'm going to put the lace on there. I really like the lace. So you know, this is from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it. Burning my sign. I'm going to try to Mod Podge it, but I'm kind of burning it so it will look a little old. So I got this little heart from Dollar Tree, but I like the top. So I'm loving still this, and I think I'm gonna put it on top. Box from Dollar Tree. This is how it's looking. So Dollar Tree box, and I'm just gonna add a little gem on it. I'm tying this ribbon around it. I'm kind of still debating what I'm gonna do, but I think I'm gonna tie the ribbon around it so it goes with my little Valentines. Is that I want to add another heart in here because you could use it to change out your decor, but the ribbon fits perfectly on it, all tucked in here, and so that's what I'm playing with. I might add some little beads to it, but I am loving how it's turning out. First I was gonna do like a little chippy one, so I did add some little black to it, but still playing with it. Okay, so this is how it's coming along, but I do want to glue, like I said, this little heart in the back because I might use it for the 2-tier tray or 3-tier tray that I got up here, since I have a little house that kind of looks like that. Okay guys, so I got another little DIY in mind. I did get this from Dollar Tree. It's a pencil holder. What I want to do is make a little lamp. I want to do like a little farmhouse one. So I have this here that's going to be my stand. And then I got these little woodcraft dowels, and I'm going to be cutting, which I already did with this. I use this, and I cut it just about this size because I am going to be putting this in here, but I'm not going to be putting it in the middle, because if you put it in the middle, then this thing won't be able to be glued to it. It will be like kind of like tilted a little bit. So that's why you got to put this just a little bit off. Okay, so that same stick that I cut, this is how it's going to look. It's not centered in the middle. It's more over here. So I will be gluing that. Then I will be adding my little candle. Put it in there. Be generous with the glue. And I was gonna just do the black one, but I went ahead and painted it white because it's gonna be with my little shabby chic theme that I'm kind of trying to go on. And then I will be gluing this thing in there. Forgot to mention that it's your preference how high you want it, way up here, down here, whatever your preference is, how long you want it to stick out. Add a little piece of the same little sticks towards the back to give it more support, because like that it wasn't giving it that much support. So this is my little light, but I am gonna try to shabby chic it at the moment. I went ahead and glued the Dollar Tree little lace at the bottom. I think it's turning out really cute so far. I think these would look so cute in your little 2-tier tray as well. Here I am just wrapping this little ribbon. You guys could use any ribbon. These are Dollar Tree little beads. You can just be so creative with your little lamp. This is how it's coming along. I was thinking of painting this either like a little pink or a brown to make it look like a little stand for a lamp. So this is kind of what I meant to glue that on, because my little house is, and then you could easily turn it around for a different look, kind of to match this look. I'm just loving the whole shabby chic look so far. And then we could turn it around to this look. Little Dollar Tree DIYs would look so cute in a 2-tier tray as well. So I'm gonna display them on a 2-tier tray. So this, I don't really show too much of my house tours, but this is my other little hutch that I got going on. I was thinking of throwing it over there, switching them out. That's kind of where I am with that. And then this is kind of like the fireplace. And then this is the little area that I did the video. Got bags there still. Then I got this little love sign from Home Goods. And then I've been so into this little look, I guess because it's the springtime coming. So I kind of did this here like that because I love this picture that I have here.